One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Patricia Atieno. For my subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing, and for my new subscribers, thank you. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. So guys, today I'm going to fix glasses in my 3 sinks. I have 3 sinks in my house, so I'm going to fix the glasses in each sink. So I want us to fix the glass together. So guys, let's go and do it. So guys, the tool that we will be using are here are the mirrors. Let's open with you guys.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature
40 by 40 centimeters. So this is our first mirror. Our second mirror is this one. It is also square, 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter. And our third mirror is a circle one, a diameter 40 centimeter. So these are the first things that I'll be needing. My second thing is the tape. This is the tape that holds everything on the wall. It's a strong one, so I'll be using this to place the mirrors on the wall. The next one, I'll be using this one. It's called a spirit level. It is a tool that is used to indicate how level or perpendicular a surface is relative to the earth. You see it? Yes. And a pair of scissors to cut the tape. Yes, so we will start. So guys, our first step is cutting the tape and placing them on the mirrors. So let's begin by, I'll just put a small size because this thing is very strong. Don't know if the scissors will cut it well. Let's try. I'll be using the knife instead.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
So it has a glue, a paper that I will remove when placing the mirrors on the wall. Yes, so I'll place here, here, and here.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? who's here, baby? I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
So guys, here is our first sink. Yes, so I will be placing the mirror here. I will start by making sure that where I will put the mirror is a straight angle, so that's why I'll be using this one.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
So I'll first remove this one. It has a sticker, so I will remove this and then
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience.
that's our first one. So let's go for the second one. So guys, in this one I have a little problem with it. I don't know whether the mirror to be down here or up here. What do you think? So here is where I will place the circular one here. I think I'll just place it under the socket.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big.
I think it looks good here instead of up here. So I'll place it here. So let's go. I'll start by removing the stickers on the tape. So I'll start by measuring with the spirit level. I want to be accurate, that's why I'm using this one.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself?
Our second mirror done. So let's go for the final mirror. Yes. So this is our last, the third and the last mirror that we are placing. So this one will be
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
I don't think I'll be using this. I'll be using, you see here, I'll be using this line to put the one end will be here. So that is what I'll be using. So let's
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feet?
the third mirror done. So close that's hard.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.